Alexa, play Whitney Houston.
You die.
No exact date mentioned, but a teaser released today says season 8 of Game of Thrones will...
Alexa, play Whitney Houston.
Okay.
Susan news conference out at Citi Field today. That's the Mariners with that 7-player deal, one in which Robinson Cano returns to New York. The 8-time All-Star, he returns after spending the first 9 seasons of his career with the Yankees.
Happy to be back in New York, and just can't wait for the season to start and be able to go out there and perform.
Evaluation and outpatient visits. The program will even cover your transportation costs. Call them now at 212-923-3031. That's 212-923-3031. They have 2 convenient locations in Manhattan, Midtown at Columbus Circle and Uptown at the Columbia University Medical Center, just across the George Washington Bridge from New Jersey.
With Democrat Stacey Abrams, Democrats disagree, claim campus Secretary of State launched a campaign of voter disenfranchisement. Meanwhile, in Florida,
Senator Bill Nelson tells reporters he wants the counting to continue, and that's not all he wants.
Mr. Scott.
Make your morning brighter at McDonald's with a hot, any-size McCafe for $1 or a small specialty McCafe for just $2. For updates, visit lightfm.com.
Women all across the U.S. are dedicated to making a difference. These are everyday women igniting positive change in their communities and working to better the lives of those around them.
Light FM, all Christmas music. This is Jack Credible. Thank you for having us on.
Merry Christmas.